In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on chess.com. We'll walk through the exact steps on a web browser, and I'll share a few helpful tips so your new image looks great everywhere on the site. Start by signing in to your chess.com account in any modern web browser. Being logged in is important because your profile settings are only available once you're authenticated. If you use multiple accounts, double check that you're in the right one before you make changes. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the chess.com page for the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear. Click that to open your account settings. This is where you control your profile details, notifications, and other preferences. Inside settings, select the profile section. This area contains the information other players see, including your display name, bio, and your current profile picture. Think of this as your public-facing identity on the site. Now click on your current avatar or profile picture. Doing this opens the image upload option. Before you upload, it helps to have your new image saved on your computer or device where you can find it quickly. Most common formats, like JPG and PNG, work well, and a square image typically looks best since profile pictures are displayed in a square or circular frame. Choose an image that represents you clearly. A simple head and shoulders photo with good lighting and minimal background distractions usually stands out. Keep the image appropriate for the community, and avoid anything that might be copyrighted or restricted. If an on-screen cropping tool appears, adjust the frame so your face or focal point is centered. Select your image from your device and let it upload. Larger files can take a bit longer, so give it a moment to finish. If you have the option to preview, make sure the picture looks sharp and isn't cut off in an awkward way. Once you're satisfied, remember to save changes. This step is essential. If you navigate away without saving, your new image won't be applied. The Save button is typically at the bottom or top corner of the settings page, depending on your browser size. After saving, your new profile picture should update on your profile and in games and chats. It can take a short moment to appear everywhere, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly across the site. And that's all you need to do. Log in, open settings, go to profile, click your picture, upload the new image, and save your changes. Enjoy your refreshed look on chess.com.